Hi everyone, here's how you change the battery in a keyed key for a Ford Focus or Fiesta, Raptor, I think Connect as well. For this we will need obviously a CR2032 battery, linked in the description, and a screwdriver. Relatively easy. So first of all, you extend out the key. In here there is a little insert. It's hard to see. I'll bring it over closer, but it's really hard to make out. But there's a little insert just in the bottom part of the key in the middle. And what you do is you just prise the screwdriver gently in, and it'll pop off like that. So it's really easy. It's simple. Just 2 seconds. It's just right here. You see it there now. You'll be able to make it out. See here. The inside when the key is on, it's too dark really to show, but it's just, can you see it on that side even? No, not really. Can't really make it out. But anyway, battery just pops out with a screwdriver, and the replacement slots in really easy. So it's simple. The only thing to watch out for is when you're putting the back on, so I don't need the screwdriver anymore, you don't want to catch the spring. So it's a funny thing, just watch out. The battery comes out really easy and changes, that's simple. But putting this back on, there's kind of a, it looks like it slides at the back, but it doesn't. It goes straight on. You push it straight down, don't slide it. If you slide it, what'll actually happen is when you're taking the key out, I should have done it, but the key won't come back. So you just put it straight on, straight down. If you push that forward, it looks like you actually push it this way and then push it forward. It does have that feel to it, but if you do that, you'll stop the spring from allowing the key to release, and it just won't. So if you do change this and the key won't release or won't sit back flush, and that's what you've done. So you just pop that back off again and just put it on straight. That'd be the only thing that'll catch you here. It's really easy. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see a keyless battery change, check the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.